Hi everyone, my name is Patience Mtuma and I am vying for the Zifa Women Vice President position. With the experience and expertise which I have gained over the years as a football administrator in the Central Region and in Zimbabwe Women's Soccer League, I feel that I'm now ripe and ready to occupy a national position. If I am elected as the Zifa Vice President, my main areas of focus will be as follows: upholding constitutionalism, promoting gender equity and equality, junior development, infrastructural development, Zifa brand market management and marketing, financial resource mobilization, and the establishment and registration of schools and tertiary leagues.
Zifa's brand name is one thing that also has to be improved. There is need for rebranding through accountability and transparency so that we also have strategic partners coming on board to the improvement of Zimbabwean football. To ensure development of women football in Zimbabwe, there is need for equity and equality issues to be addressed so that players are motivated to join football. There is need for prioritization of facilities development in Zimbabwe. We can't be seen to be using other countries' facilities when we can push to have at least one which is internationally recognized, ready for use by Zimbabwean teams.
For Vice Presidents, vote Patience Mutuma, your experienced and qualified football administrator. Thank you.